Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Dr. John coming at you live. Well, not live obviously. This is a YouTube video. Anyway, I'm hyped to take you on a crazy journey today. We're going full drone mode, soaring over a place I've always been obsessed with, Sri Lanka. This little island hangs off the tip of India like a teardrop, and trust me, it's even more stunning from above. We're talking ancient ruins, beaches that go on forever, jungles bursting with life, the whole 9 yards. So strap in, crank up that resolution, and get ready for some serious eye candy. This is Sri Lanka, baby, seen through the eyes of a drone. Let's do this. First up, we're hitting up Sigiriya. This place is straight out of an Indiana Jones movie. Picture this. A massive column of rock jutting out of the jungle, almost 600 feet high. That's Sigiriya Rock Fortress, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Back in the day, some king decided to build his palace on top of this thing. Talk about a room with a view. You can still see the ruins up there, along with these crazy lion paws carved into the rock. They used to be a whole giant lion, but now it's just the paws guarding the entrance. The drone gets us up close and personal, showing off the insane scale of this place. It's like something out of a dream. Imagine the engineering it took to build this back then, hauling stuff up there, carving those intricate details. The drone swoops around the rock, giving us a 360-degree view of the surrounding jungle. It's like stepping back in time, seeing this ancient fortress reclaimed by nature. Sigiriya is just the tip of the iceberg though. We've got a lot more ground to cover, so let's keep this drone moving. Next stop, we're flying over to the coast, checking out Gale Fort. This place is a trip. It's like a little slice of Europe plopped right down on the Sri Lankan coast. We're talking cobblestone streets, colonial architecture, the whole shebang. Built by the Dutch back in the 17th century, Gale Fort is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. And for good reason. The drone takes us soaring over the old city walls, giving us a bird's-eye view of the fort. You can see the layout, the clock tower, the lighthouse, it's all still intact. Imagine the stories these walls could tell. We dive down into the narrow streets, weaving between houses, shops, and cafes. The energy down here is electric, a mix of old-world charm and modern Sri Lankan life. The drone pops back up, giving us one last glimpse of Gale Fort as we head out over the ocean. The sun glistens off the water, and the fort stands proud against the coastline. What a sight! Chapter 3, Yala, Land of the Leopard. Alright guys, buckle up because things are about to get wild. We're headed to Yala National Park, one of the best places on Earth to spot leopards. And I'm not talking about your grandma's house cat, we're talking about the real deal. Sleek, powerful hunters with those piercing eyes. The drone takes us soaring over vast grasslands, dense forests, and shimmering lagoons. Yala is a nature lover's paradise. Keep your eyes peeled though, because you never know what might be lurking in the shadows. There. Did you see that flash of spots? Our drone catches a glimpse of a leopard slinking through the tall grass. It's incredible to witness these creatures in their natural habitat, thriving in the wild. Yala is a powerful reminder of the importance of conservation and protecting our planet's biodiversity. But for now, we've got to leave the leopards in peace and continue our journey. Chapter 4, Temple of the Tooth Sacred Ground. Next up, we're diving into the heart of Sri Lankan culture and spirituality. This is Kandy, home to the Temple of the Tooth. This temple is one of the most sacred places in Buddhism, and for good reason. It's said to house a relic of the Buddha himself, a tooth. The drone takes us on a respectful flyover of the temple complex, showcasing the intricate architecture and vibrant colors. The air is thick with incense and you can almost hear the chanting of monks. We get a glimpse of the inner sanctum where the tooth relic is kept, but we can't go inside. It's a place of deep reverence and peace. The drone lingers for a moment, capturing the serene atmosphere before we continue our journey. The Temple of the Tooth is a powerful reminder of the importance of faith and the enduring legacy of ancient traditions. Chapter 5, Ella Green Majesty. Okay folks, get ready to be blown away by some serious natural beauty. We're heading to Ella, a little slice of paradise nestled in the hills of Sri Lanka. Imagine rolling hills carpeted in emerald green tea plantations, waterfalls cascading down rocky cliffs, and mist clinging to the mountaintops. That's Ella. The drone takes us on a breathtaking journey through this lush landscape. We soar over the famous Nine-Arch Bridge, a masterpiece of colonial engineering as a train chugs across its tracks. We peek into Little Adams Peak, a popular hiking spot with panoramic views, and we take a moment to appreciate the tranquility of Rivanna Falls, its waters plunging into the valley below. Ella is a place to breathe deep, relax, and soak in the beauty of the natural world. It's the perfect way to end our Sri Lankan adventure. Outro until next time, Sri Lanka. So there you have it, guys. Sri Lanka in all its glory, seen through the eyes of a drone. From ancient ruins to bustling cities, from wildlife sanctuaries to serene tea plantations, this island nation has it all. I hope this video inspired you to add Sri Lanka to your travel bucket list. It's a place that will stay with you long after you've left. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more epic adventures, and let me know in the comments what you thought of this drone's eye view of Sri Lanka. Peace out.